Use of Euclid's division algorithms. Example: find the HCF of 1092 and 330 by using Euclid's division algorithm. Solution: to find this, we need to use the Euclid division lemma, and it states if a and b are two positive integers, then there exist two integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. Now we apply this on the given two numbers and we get 1092 is equal to 330 into 3 plus 102. Now we need to check the value of r. If r is equal to 0, then b is the HCF of a. So in this case, r is 102. That is, r is not equal to 0. So that means 330 is not the HCF of 1092 and 330. What do we do now? We move to the second step. That is, we again apply the Euclid's division lemma for b and r. Now b is 330 and r is 102. So now we apply Euclid's division lemma and we get 330 is equal to 102 into 3 plus 24. Look at the value of r, and again r is not equal to 0, and the value of b is equal to 102. Now we apply Euclid's division lemma on b is equal to 102 and r is equal to 24. We get 102 is equal to 24 into 4 plus 6. Here value of b is equal to 24 and value of r is equal to 6. So again we use the Euclid's division lemma on b is equal to 24 and r is equal to 6, and we get 24 is equal to 6 into 4 plus 0. This time we get the value of r is equal to 0 and the value of divisor is 6. Therefore the HCF of 1092 and 330 is 6.